Good afternoon. This is Brooke Lakin, the course coordinator for Clinical Immersion 1, and I'm coming to you today to do an introduction video and a tutorial of how to use our Canvas course and also how to find your virtual simulations for the first few assignments that we have for this course. So let me just say welcome to the College of Nursing and welcome to the first semester of your junior year. If you sign in to our course, which will be published this afternoon, you will scroll down to it'll sign you right into the home page. And there you will see Welcome to Clinical Immersion 1 link. And then you also see your course syllabus. You can click on that and find the syllabus, which has the description of the assignments, how they're going to be graded, clinical expectations, course expectations, and all the information that you need. Also, on the first page, you will see a list of all the faculty that are working in the course. We will each have a page that you can click on. This is mine, where you can find, some people will put a picture of us, a little bit of a background, and then also contact information and any information you need to know regarding clinicals. So this can all be found on the home page right there. Click on that and that'll be your front page. Now for assignments, which they're all not up yet, but I'm just giving them to you as you need to know. The first section here is going to be your simulations, and I have the first 4 set up for you. You can also find that information in modules. So here you have the first simulation, which is Christopher Parish. If you click into the assignment, you'll see an overview. You'll see what the minimum of the score is that you can get in order to receive full credit, when the due date is, an overview of the case, learning objectives to the general simulation, and then the simulation specific objectives. The readings are located in the Course Point Plus, which I will show you how to get there. And then you have the assignment. So when you go into the simulation, which I will show you, you will see that there are 5 parts to this assignment. You have the suggested readings, the Presim quiz, which must be completed before you take the virtual simulation. You have the VSIM that you go through. For this specific one, your minimum score is an 80. And you'll see as you go through that you can score and you can attempt it as many times as you need to in order to complete that score. Then you'll take a post-simulation quiz, and there's a documentation assignment that you need to complete and upload into Canvas. This is how you receive your points. There will be 8 virtual simulations this semester, so be aware of all of the due dates and the things that you need to complete for this course. And then assignments is when you can click on that, complete the assignment, and then upload it. Yours will look a little bit different than mine looks, but you will see how to upload that. It's very easy. When you go to the home page again, something else that is really nice, I'm going to see if I can click over to student view so I can see what you're seeing. Okay, so this is what yours will look like. So you'll have that, you'll see my video, you'll see the list of instructors, and then it also down here gives you a course summary of the things that you have coming up, when they're due by, and so that's really helpful. That'll kind of give you a running list. If they're there and they don't have a due date, it's because it's specific to when you're in clinical and lab. But if they have this one due date, that's the due date for the entire class. So things that will be helpful for you navigating our Canvas course, excuse me. Now, when you go to your Course Point Plus, this is what it will look like. So you have the Taylor's Clinical Nursing Skills 5th edition, and it's the Course Point Plus. If it's not Course Point Plus, it will look like this with no plus. You have to have the Course Point Plus in order to have access to the virtual simulations. When you get here, you'll click vSim for nursing, and this will open up. It will look a little bit different because I have the instructor version, but you'll go down and click on Christopher Parrish. And here's the 5 steps I was talking about. So you have the suggested readings. So what is really neat about this tool is that you can see the S bar. So it has the situation of Christopher Parrish, background, assessment information, and the recommendation for care. And then you have in your textbooks located where you can go and read the information you need to know in order to take care of Christopher Parrish. You click on this green link and it will take you straight to the pages in your ebook, which is really nice. Then you also have a little green stethoscope, which takes you to another part of this application in your computer that you've got through CoursePoint Plus to learn about cystic fibrosis. There's nursing care plans, which you will be learning some about care plans later, and then any other expert clinical information that you need to know. This is all step 1. You need to spend time studying before you jump into the simulation. That's part of the hours that you're getting for clinical for this. Next, you have a pre-simulation quiz. You have to take it before you can go into the virtual sim. And in the back office, I can see if you don't take this before you go into the simulation, and you will not receive credit for anything else if you do not complete the pre-simulation quiz. Then you go into the virtual simulation. You will launch the simulation, and these are actually really interesting cases. I was just in here earlier and got us 4, but I didn't spend too much time in there. You'll read the S bar here again, gives you some helpful tips on how to be successful, and you'll go in and see the patient. It will open up the patient's chart, so it's just like you're looking at a hospital chart. And then when you're ready to do that, when you're ready to move on, you hit the button in the bottom, and you can hear him breathing, and it'll tell you what to do. So I'm going to wash my hands. He's going to spend time washing his hands. And then I'm going to identify my patient. So these are the things you can do. So I'm in safety, and then it goes through communication, assessment, interventions. And I promise this first few times that you do it, you will score a little bit lower than what you'd like, but you'll get the hang of it. So just for washing hands and identifying my patient, I got a 4. But that's okay. So then you come back out of your simulation and you take a post-simulation quiz. So that's step 4, and you have to score the same as you did on the sim. So for his case, it's an 80, and then it's documented in each simulation what the minimum score is for your virtual sim and the post-sim quiz. Then you will go over, lastly, to documentation assignments. And what we're going to do, do not use this button or this button. What you're going to do is take these questions into a Word document, answer them, save them to your computer, and then you'll come back over and take that and upload it when you go into assignments. So you'll click on your assignment and you can submit assignment right there, and it will allow you to search your computer and upload your discussion questions. So nothing needs to be submitted documentation-wise in DocuCare or the CoursePoint Plus. It all goes back into Canvas. And this is how you are going to be getting your 25 points for these assignments. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Again, I've put all my information right here, and it's also located in the syllabus. So if you have a question, please email me. My email is here. My phone number is there. Yes, this is my cell phone number. I do not sit in my office anymore. I'm not in my office often. So I do put my cell phone out there, and with the understanding that you will use it in emergencies only. But email is best. So I am willing, available, and open to answer any of your questions. Please don't sit and be confused. Just ask, because I can probably help you quicker than you can try to hunt and find it. But I hope this video helps. And again, we are looking forward to having you in lab and simulation and clinical. If you are confused about your schedule, please refer to your Typhon account. And there you will find when you come to the spaces you're supposed to be assigned to, what time, what days. And if you have any questions about that, you can ask me or you can email Karen Messing or Miss Hernandez, and they will help you find out where you're at. So I'm looking forward to a great semester, and I hope that you guys are ready to learn and be successful and enjoy your first semester in the nursing program. Bye.